Today I'm going to turn attention to the 140 door scrapers. Not sure, there's probably all sorts of other names for it, but this bit of rubber trim here is what we call a door scraper. It's the bit that prevents water, rainwater or whatever, coming down the outside of the glass. And by this age they've all gone pretty brittle, if indeed they haven't actually totally detached from the car. Now on the 140 there's three different types. Let's have a look at those three right away. Let's look at the three types of door scraper seal here. This is the early car.